Hello, everyone. I just wanted to take a few minutes today just to introduce myself and say hello. Typically, I write an introduction post, which I did, but I normally don't do my first video until week 2 or so, but I just wanted to say hello, let you put a face to the person that you're talking to through Blackboard. My name is Alyssa Cothran. I have been teaching with Ranger for almost 5 years. I moved down to San Antonio, so I'm doing online only with Ranger, but I am working at San Antonio College as well. So have a lot on my plate, but it's good. I wanted to just kind of let y'all know my stand on things and kind of how the course will run. So for 1302, it's a little bit different if you've taken 1301 with me. In terms of the format, it's all going to still be in content. You're still going to have class activities and graded folder, but it's 1302 is more based on reading and analyzing the literature that we read. So at the beginning of the semester, we don't have a lot of papers. There's not a ton of writing in this course. I think you have 3 papers total to complete. And they're 2 to 3 page papers, so nothing major. But weekly you will have a lot to respond to. So just a heads up, when you have discussion boards and quizzes every week, the discussion board is taking place of an essay, which most students are grateful for. So with that being said, I want your discussions to be thoughtful, to be thought-provoking, to really analyze what you're reading. A paragraph answer, just boom, 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 that's it, isn't going to cut it. So make sure most of your discussion boards are going to have 3 to 5 questions each. You should have roughly a paragraph answer for each question because you want to answer it, support your answer with references from the book or the story or whatever you're reading, and then reiterate why that quote does justify your answer. So these discussion boards will be lengthier than 1301. I do have high expectations for them. They're weighted heavier. They're 20 points each, and you have one pretty much every week. So please be sure you take those seriously. For the most part, the course load is pretty light in the first half of the semester because you're reading, you're kind of getting into the analysis portion of the course. And those discussion boards are a major part of that. The quizzes are kind of a check-in to make sure you read, to make sure you understand the concepts. There's basic questions that ask about characters and basic plot, and then there's analysis questions on the quiz. So it looks like a lot of you have been going through the course, kind of trying to grade as I can. For the diagnostic assessment, for the student orientation quiz, a lot of you have jumped on the welcome discussion board already. That's awesome. Keep flipping through the student orientation, that first unit, and then once you're done with it, don't feel like you can't look ahead. I encourage y'all to look ahead. That way you know if you have papers coming up, if you have more reading than you have expected, especially if you have busy weeks. Definitely look ahead. You can submit work early here, so feel free to get the work done as you need to. But I just wanted to, like I said, say hello. I hope the first week's going okay for y'all. And if you have questions as your grades come back, just let me know. Typically the diagnostic assessment, the first half of it is multiple choice or matching, so that's pretty, flat point, point by point. It is what it is. Your answer for the short answer is going to be based on what you give me. So if you get something back and you're like, I have no idea why I got that, just let me know. If you click on your grade in the grade book, you should be able to see any feedback, the point value for each one, which matching ones you missed, all of that. So definitely let me know if you have any questions or concerns. I will say, just to let y'all know, there's almost 90 students in this section. There is a mix of dual credit and online students. I think this class has pretty much every dual credit Comp 2 student that Ranger has right now. So in terms of weekly work, if you submit things early, I tend to, in my free time, just start grading. But when it comes down to papers and things that we have due on a Sunday that many of you wait until Sunday to do, which is fine, it will take me a little bit longer to grade than normal. So I'll preface that in my future videos, but I just wanted to give you a heads up that there's an abnormal amount of students in this course. So it'll be great for y'all because you'll have extra people to choose from in your discussion posts to reply to. And that's wonderful. So if you have any questions or concerns, I've already received emails from y'all. That's great. Shoot them my way and I will happily respond back to you. I hope everyone has a great first week, and I will post some guidance moving forward to week 2 as we get closer. Bye.